With your finger me feel so high. Don't be cocky but pussy pants and high. Now go rush the fuck for play bus tonight. Play with the like FIFA. Happy like when me get American visa. Take me high. Don't be cocky but pussy pants and high. Now go rush the fuck for play bus tonight. Play with the like FIFA. Happy like when me get American visa. Tell you this, set it. I know button but your finger keep a press it. Independent pussy do it one.
What's up my channel babes, it's your girl Jassy and I'm back in the cup with another video. And in this video today I'm going to be cooking, I don't know what to call it, it's just, I know I'm cooking. I'm cooking me breakfast. Yeah. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I really do not know how to make real eggs. I mean, let me not say real eggs because I don't really know how to make eggs, like, you know, the chef egg. I just know how to make my eggs. So that's what we're gonna make. But before we start, if you want to, you know, make whatever I'm making, you gotta get a fork, a knife, a little cup. It don't have to be no more than 2 inches. Oh, let me put these things in. A bigger cup, eggs. Well, I only eat 1 egg, so. Sausages. I made some yesterday, so I have to cut them up. Orange juice, waffles, a cutting board, watermelon, and a spatula, a stove, of course, and a pan. There's mad soap on it. You need a pan. So, with that being said, make sure you I rinsed everything out already, so make sure everything is rinsed out or whatever. And I'm going to start making the sausages first. But first, I gotta cut them up. That's why you needed a cutting board and a knife. So, oh, and you're gonna need some type of sauce because you know I never gave without sauce. So this is some new sauce that my mom wanna be trying and stuff. So it's sweet and sour with herbals, and you need ketchup and syrup if you eat that way, yeah. So I'm gonna take out the sausages and I'm gonna cut them up inside the thing. But I don't know, right, when I do sausages, I don't spray the pan. I only spray the pan when I make eggs because it'd be too buttery. So I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm gonna cut it right there. I don't know, it's not really not gonna take me that long to cut it, but so technically that's the first batch because that pan is not small. So that is the first batch. Rinse that off. Rinse your hands off. Technically, I only eat 2 things, but since this is the end of the pack, I gotta put it inside of a Ziploc bag or whatever. I'm not gonna eat 3 waffles. Like, who does that? It's not a day one. Oh, let me put this orange juice back inside before it not be no orange juice. So in the meantime, while you're doing that, you can start cutting up your watermelon like into pieces. That's why I say you need a small thing, because that's where the watermelon's gonna go. So you can start cutting up your pieces, but put your egg to the side so you know like when you're doing it. So the reason why you need this is because you're gonna put the sausages inside of here and you're gonna put the sauce inside. So I'm gonna do that right now because the sausages don't take long to cook. You only put a little bit. And shake it around so you know it could be everywhere. So it looks like this. So that should be almost done, like in the next 2 minutes. So when I finish cooking all the sausages, I'm gonna let y'all know and I'll be right back. Alright, so y'all, I just finished the first batch or whatever. So I'm gonna put, you know, like I told you, I put the sauce at the bottom so like it can absorb. And then put some on top. I'll put a lot. Put some on top. Oh, that like that. Oh. And then you just stir it around inside. So you know it can have some flavor. This is the first batch. The second batch is cooking. Alright, cause here we go. Should look like that. And then you're just gonna take a plate and you're gonna put it on the plate. So when that batch is done, I'm gonna put it on the plate. So I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. And this is the second batch. This was the first batch. So I'm just pour it over the second batch. Jesus Christ, man, sauce. There's one more stuck in there, but I'm gonna get that later. And just take everything and push it to the side because we got other food to put on there. Don't nobody got time for that. And then we're gonna start cutting the watermelon. Matter of fact, no, we don't have to start cutting the watermelon first. We could start doing the waffles. So you're gonna need butter, but I like my waffles with butter. So I always got to put butter on them. And you're going to turn on the stove. No, turn on the stove. You're going to take the butter. Oh, I rinsed this, by the way. And then you're going to take the butter. You don't have to take a lot of butter. And just sketch it around on the thing like this. And then go back and forth. Do it to the back and to the front. And then boom. Boom. And put it in there. And let it cook. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other one. Alright, so now we done. I'm gonna put that in there too. Remove that over. Hopefully they don't stick. If I feel like they stick, I'm making a new pack. But the butter, with the butter on it, it shouldn't really matter. So, yeah. So, I need to clean up. You're gonna wipe, or you're gonna rinse this off because you gotta put the watermelon in there. The watermelon. And you're just gonna cut the watermelon into pieces. I don't like seeds inside of my watermelon, so yeah. And you're gonna put them inside of here, so I'm gonna let y'all know when it's done. So I finally finished cutting the watermelon. There is no seeds in here because I really hate seeds and watermelon. Now, you got an egg, the bowl. I was supposed to use that one, but we can use this one. I'm just gonna grab it inside. I'm gonna throw this in the garbage. And you're gonna take some black pepper, well, you know, some good. Let me check on these. waffles. I could brown a little more. So you're gonna take the black pepper. I'm gonna go get it, but get some cheese. Cause don't nobody like no thing. I know I'm not cooking in the same pot that I cook the sausages and the waffles in, because no, you don't get a whole new pot. Normally, you're supposed to wash this as you go. I don't wash this. Oh, I'm taking cheese. I don't wash this as I go. That's just a lot. Well, put some cheese up in there. And then we're gonna go get the black pepper. I'm gonna put it inside. You don't need a lot. Oh, that's enough. So I'm gonna cut that off. And we're gonna let that pop. Jesus. We're gonna let that pop cool off. You're gonna need these for the eggs too. So as you can see, it's only one egg in here. Black pepper. I don't want it to spill, and it keep going. Listen, that's why you need a fork. And you're gonna whip it up, whip it up. Right. So you're gonna get a pan, and you're gonna rinse the pan out. I'm gonna turn it on. And you're gonna get some spraying. Cooking pan. And you're gonna spray it in there. You're gonna spray it in there. And then you're just gonna take it. And you're just gonna swerve it in. Wait, no. I don't know, but one of them things. So we're gonna let that cook. Some people normally add milk to their eggs, but I don't add milk to my eggs unless my mother making it. But yeah, these eggs is actually done, and I'm gonna put them inside the thing, well, the plate over. And then you're gonna take this and you're gonna pour it in there. That normally when it's really, really hot, it's mad satisfying, and we hear all that or whatever. So I'm gonna cut my waffles up because I like my waffles cut up in fours. So I'm gonna let y'all know, and I'm gonna show you how to turn out after I put all my stuff on, and I'm gonna show you how to turn out. Later, y'all. So I'm done. You see, we got the food up here, and the watermelon, and we got my orange juice. You see that like that? Let me taste it. That's good. So this video is over, but I am making another video today, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. And don't forget to like, comment, share. Don't even comment, because I hate when people comment. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ew. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all wash y'all mama dishes if y'all was cooking when I was cooking. Make sure y'all wash y'all mama dishes. Later, y'all.